Doug Burlington. Row number 2 inside to number 51. Brian Gorley. Outside of Brian for number 72 of Jerry Brown. Row number 3 inside to 45 being piloted today by Wayne Moreland. Outside of Wayne for number 505, one of our lead drivers, Chris Hansen. Tag back in the field, so we'll tag and move it up to the number 11 car, Brett Hagman. Outside of Brett, going to be the 72X of Captain Whitman. Row number 5, inside the 54 of Sean Fox. Outside of John, the number 69 of Thomas Gallagher. Outside of Tom, the number 4 machine of Donald Curtis. Tag in the back of the field, number 67, Nick Bummer Jr. Champion, Wendell Croy. We are halfway through our main event, ladies and gentlemen. We still have 3 more to go. We appreciate all your support you've been giving us out here at Prescott Valley Speedway. And here we go. Able to mini stock action underway. Air pressure in the tires. They're like driving on ice out there. It's 10 slick in 1 and 2. And of course we have a rookie in that number 7 machine. Good friends with Kepner. Kepner not able to advance his position in the points here this afternoon. So handing over the starter button and the belt and the helmet to young Sam Mazzell to get his feet wet. First time in a race car. Get it done here this afternoon. The Tallywhacker Racing, number 69 of Tom Gallagher. Those folks come all the way from Utah to race with us here at Prescott Valley Speedway. Driving a long way to spend his Saturday afternoon with us here at Prescott Valley Speedway. We want to thank their efforts. They come as often as they can to race with the guys here in the mini stock class. Burlington showing the way down front. Ken York Jr. Taking his efforts to the garage here. Had a good start to his afternoon. Hagerman in the number 11 machine. Still tangled up with number 4, Donald Curtis, over in turn number 2. Think? Do you enjoy us putting on these races for you? Well, here's what I'm going to ask you to do. For all the guys down there on the racetrack, for everybody in the pit, for all of us here in the tower, for everybody down on the concourse that feeds you, keeps you from getting thirsty, give us a great big hand, would you? We want to morning. Next thing you know, it'll be Christmas, New Year's, Super Bowl, Daytona. Hey, how about them apples? Just around the world. Look down. Next weekend in Phoenix. If you're not going to the races, turn on the tube and, or the following week, I'm sorry, not Halloween weekend, first weekend of November. Marksville this weekend. Our EDR should be set for up through the field in the number 69 machine. Driving on the edge out there. So easy to make that mistake. Alright, and while we have a moment here, we'll get this stuff squared away before the restart. Let's give a shout out, a happy 50th birthday to Bridget. Happy birthday, Bridget. Doing her happy dance down there in the grandstand. lined up Burnston. We'll chase down the tail end of the field. Samuel in the number 7 machine. Interested to hear his thoughts. His first time out in a race car here this afternoon.
season here this afternoon. Wendell Coy is going to be your champion for 2014. He'll be looking to hold on. Wendell Coy here with 4 laps remaining at the race start. Tom Gallagher looking to be a spoiler.